Hi, I'm Lisa from Speaking Savvy, and in today's short video tip, I want to talk about improving the quality of your voice. I use a simple acronym, RSVP, R for rhythm, S for speed, P for pitch, and V for volume. And in this little video, I want to talk about a pitch. Pitch is really important, and nobody likes sameness. Sameness is boring, and we want to vary the pitch that we're speaking at depending on the message and the words that we're using. And often for speakers, we particularly women speakers, we can tend to speak at a high pitch, and often we want to lower our pitch, and we do that by getting into our diaphragm and speaking from our diaphragm and using our breathing as a way of pushing out our voice. But basically with our change of pitch, we want to speak at a higher pitch when we are speaking faster, and we want more emotion in our voice, and we want to speak in a lower pitch where we tend to drop that pitch when we want to sound more confident and more authoritative, or if the message that we're conveying is of more of a serious nature. So play around with the different pitches that you can use in your voice and see what works for you, see what sounds more interesting, but overall remember to mix it up, because nobody wants to listen to the same pitch, the same tone, the same volume, because that gets boring really quickly. I hope this tip has been useful for you, and bye for now.